Good morning, my friends, and thank you for joining. One of the great spiritual goals of Jewish life is to achieve a positivity bias, to replace the natural human negativity bias, our instinct to see the negative and to see the darkness, with a positivity bias, the ability to look for, to see, to find the good and the blessing in everything. This has been a very dark week for the Jewish people. Witnessing the savage murder of 6 of our hostages has been something that has created a lot of pain and sorrow in the lives of many people. And unfortunately, it has also exposed discord, difference of opinion about what to do. But we must also focus on the positive, that it is exposed this deep connection that our people have one for the other. No matter how different people are expressing their pain and sorrow, no matter what their opinion is, the pain and the sorrow is there throughout our people. Everyone is feeling that pain. And that expresses this deep, tremendous unity that our people have. And this is really a blessing, a bright spot, something we should remember. That yes, we are different. Yes, we have our differences of opinions. And in many ways, we are divided about what to do, how to move forward. But we have a deep, deep connection. The pain, the sense of loss, the sense of darkness, and the sense of feeling the pain of our brothers, this is something that all of us have. And this is what we have to highlight and remember and focus. We are united, we are one, we are all brothers and sisters. Thank you for joining, and Shabbat Shalom.